Pepito, malapit na tumama sa Gigmoto Viga, Catanduanes area, storm surge asahan sa mga baybayin. Update, napanatili ng super bagyong Pepito na may international name na Manny ang mapaminsalang hangin nitong 195 km per hour at bagsong 240 km per hour habang kumikilos sa direksyon ng Gigmoto at Viga sa Catanduanes. Signal number 5, Catanduanes, Northeastern Camarines Sur, Caramuan, Garchitorena, Lagonoy, Presentasyon. Signal number 4, Camarines Norte, Northern and Southeastern Camarines Sur, Northeastern Albay, Tabaco, Tiwi, Malinao, Malilipot, Bakakay, Rapu-Rapu. Signal number 3, Aurora, Polillo Islands, Northern and Eastern portion of mainland #Quezon, Eastern Rizal, Northeastern Laguna, rest of Camarines Sur, rest of Albay, Northern #Sorsogon. Signal number 2, Metro Manila, Tarlac, Cavite, rest of Rizal, Bulacan, Pampanga, Ilocos Sur, Lonayon, Pangasinan, Nueva Ecija, Zambales, Bataan, rest of Quezon, Marinduque, Berries Island, Ticao Island, rest of Sorsogon, rest of Laguna, Isabela, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Abra, Kalinga, Mount Province, Ifugao, Benguet, Northern Samar, northern portion of Samar Province, northern portion of Eastern Samar. Signal number 1 sa mainland Cagayan, Apayao, Ilocos Norte, #Batangas, Northern Occidental Mindoro, Lubang, Northern Oriental Mindoro, Romblon, rest of Masbate, rest of Eastern Samar, rest of Samar, Biliran, Northern Leyte, northernmost Cebu, northernmost Iloilo. Manatiling nakatutok sa weather balita para sa bago pang update. Don't forget to subscribe.